All right, sorry about that. I was recording. I need to put my phone on airplane mode. I was recording and got a phone call and it shut it off. Honestly, don't even remember what we were talking about. Oh, but anyways, Expel's design program, it's great too because it allows you to wrap edges where you want, if you want to wrap certain edges, it allows you to kind of customize the coverage a little bit, based on your customers. So what we're doing is just running a little tack solution down along the edge, or an alcohol solution. That alcohol solution actually just helps increase the tack or the adhesiveness, so that way you just get a good seal on the edge. And one of the things you want to try to avoid is allowing liquid to pool up along this seam right here, because a lot of times if you don't pressure wash real good, or even sometimes take some of this chrome off, what you end up with is a bunch of debris that's up underneath there. And if you don't get that edge sealed off real well when you get started, there's a good chance some of that debris can creep down in there and get underneath the film, and you end up just having to redo it. And again, wasted film isn't always necessary. All right, we'll keep working down this door. Give this a good wipe down, and then afterwards I'll open the door back up and get some tack solution along that door edge. You just want to go over everything, make sure everything looks good before you seal those edges. And also when you're wiping down, don't wipe down too hard. Especially when you're just using the slip solution and you haven't used the tack solution yet, because sometimes it can cause that film to lift. There we go. All right. Let that edge dry, and we'll wrap the edge after that dries, so that way you just get a better adherence. If you just take a few minutes, use that tack solution, rinse those edges, let that edge dry, and then you can wrap around, and it's going to give you a lot better. It's going to give you a lot better adherence. There we go. All right, so we're going to take you down the edge so you can see here where, of course, we haven't got the back done yet. But coming up through the side, you can see where there's the purple, you can see where there's the blue. Coming up around to the front fender. There's a good shot of the reflectivity of it. It really is just it's crystal clear. Crystal clear reflection. I mean, it's designed to be invisible. There you go. Again, there's your blue and your pink. Purple. There you go. It's looking good.